Hello, Daniel here, and I'm back with another tutorial for Bukkit. And in this episode, we'll be going over TPA, which is requesting teleportation from a player and not just boldly teleporting to them. So, what we'll be using in this episode is something called a hash map. A hash map stores information based on a key that can be anything. So, you can store something based on a player. We can store one player based on another player. So we can associate one player with another one. So let's make a new hash map called TPA, like such. So we'll need to import hash map. Alright, so basically we can store another player with a different player. Here's how it's going to work. So let's add another command rather than just heal. We're also going to see else if command label is equal to TPA. So instead of someone typing heal, someone type TPA, and if length is equal to 1, so if there is an argument, because if there isn't, you can't just teleport to nothing. So we'll see. We need to get the source. Let's just put this outside of here. So now the target we want to teleport to equal to source dot get server dot get player arg0. So this will get us a player that's called that's called whoever we want to TP to. So if we do TPA Danilefe, it will return us the player named Danilefe. Let's remove that. Oops. Alright, so now we need to check if the target is not null. So if target is not equal to null, so if it's a legitimate player, then tpa.put target source. So now we're going to say that target's last request for teleportation is from source. Easy. Now, else if command label equals, in our case, TP accept. So if we're accepting teleportation from whoever else, we need to see if tpa.get source is not equal to null. So if anybody ever requested teleportation from us, it would be stored inside TPA based on our name, on our player. So if someone did, it's not going to be equal to null. And since we accepted it, then let's tpa.get source. So this would give us the player that requested teleportation. Dot teleport, which teleports them to us. So this will teleport the last person who requested teleportation to you. Otherwise, if command label equals TP deny, that means we're denying them. Get it. So if anybody ever requested teleportation, we're just going to deny them. Nothing's going to happen. So let's just reset, because we don't reset the last requested teleportation because we don't want the player to keep teleporting them to them. So tpa.put source null. So now you can no longer accept because you've already accepted it once. And let's do the same thing here. We're just not going to teleport them. And finally, let's just add some messages to give the users some feedback. So TPA dot target dot send message source dot get name is requesting teleportation. Type in TP accept or TP deny. Blah. So this will send whoever we request teleportation from a notification that we're trying to teleport them. Now, here, we're just going to tell the source that you successfully accepted the teleportation, and to the TPA.get source, so to whoever requested teleportation, we're going to send a message that your request has been accepted. And here we're just going to say same thing except for denied and denied. Denied. Alright, so that's done, and now we need to edit the plugin YML, so let's do that. I've already done that for myself, so we basically, let's do it over just to make sure everything works. We can just copy our heal command over here that we've already done in a previous episode. We're gonna paste it in 3 times. And replace the second heal with TPA, the third heal with TP accept, and the fourth heal with TP deny. Done. Save it. Now let us export YouTube as a jar file. Make sure plugin YML is selected into our server. And I have some other plugins on my, what the heck is this? I have some other plugins on my server, so I'm just going to disable those for the time being. Bukkit server plugins, and by disable I just mean that. So now we're going to have our YouTube.jar, and let's put the server up, and let's put Minecraft up as well. So another issue is that we can actually test this alone. So play. Yeah, this is just the side effect of my chapter. Nope, we want. So here we're going to log in as one person, and we're going to use a cracked launcher called Mineshafter. Mineshafter. It's anywhere close by. God dang it. Seriously? It's somewhere. I just don't know where it is. There we go. Oh, I'm blind. Let's open that as well. And let's wait for it to boot. And here we're going to use Shafter. ASD. A is our helper today. So let's play as well. So now we have two instances of Minecraft, and we can easily test it. Let's both join the server now. Now we're both here. Let us request teleportation from Ast. And here it is. The LFA is requesting teleportation. It's kind of dark now. Right. Type in TP accept or TP deny. Let us TP accept first. We successfully accepted the teleportation. And here's the LFA. And here I am teleported to ASD. Now let's do it again. Let's do it again, yes. And do TP deny from this guy. Your request has been denied. You cannot teleport. So that is it. That is how you teleport a player by request, rather than just do it using /TP.